Hey guys, Kevin from Dynamite. We've got our 1962 Ford Falcon project here. We've got it all finished up. It is for sale. I'm just going to give you guys a preview of it. I'm just going to run it into the shop here. Okay guys, I got it up on the lift here, so we'll just have a peek underneath. Light here. So to me it looks like previous owner undercoated it at least a couple of times by the looks of it. There's some very heavy of the rubberized type undercoating. Looks no holes in the muffler, or looks like newer shocks on the rear, judging by the hardware there. The rubber in between the leaves here, I imagine to reduce the squeaking. We put those rims and tires on. Going down the side here, we can see some more of that heavy undercoat. Brake lines all look pretty fresh. The rubber ones do anyways. Same on that side. The parking brake cable is not attached, so I just kind of zip tied it up there just to get it out of the way. I imagine it attaches to that lever there in some fashion. More undercoating. It's on there fairly heavy, so I'm guessing they did it at least a couple of times. Here you can see the new clutch assembly that we stuck in there. Again, looks like maybe more recent rubber lines there. Same on that side. Swoop around to the front here. Up in there. More undercoating. Looks like a fairly fresh coat of paint on the motor. And it looks like newer bolts on the exhaust manifold there as well. Come to the front, the rubbers there could definitely use a change. Overall, I don't really see any major issues there. So we'll get her down to the ground here. Okay, we're looking under the hood here. Motor is the 144 cubic inch inline 6. Was a recent rebuild according to the previous owner. It does actually run pretty good, so can't really disagree with him there. The electric fuel pump down there. Aluminum rad. New battery. And we converted it from a generator to an alternator. So a brand new alternator there. Most of the wires have been gone over towards the headlights and the markers. None of the lights worked when I picked this up, so I pretty well had to open up all the loom and trace them all back and figure out what the heck was going on. Front here, new sealed beams, painted the grille, just close the hood here. Had our good friend Jeff Anthony paint the hood for us, satin black. I think it looks really sharp. I went over the whole thing with a clay bar. Got the paint looking pretty good. We changed the wheels and tires out and added spacers to get the bigger wheels in there. 17-inch painted black. Again, I think it looks really slick. It's the one real bad blemish in the paint. In the rear, we see the new 17-inch. Like the hood, we had the deck lid painted up, satin black. It gives it kind of a unique look. One disappointing thing with this one is it did not come with the that cool trunk emblem. You can get them at places like Max Auto Parts, along with the emblem that's missing there. We also painted the rear taillight bezels black to match the grille in the front. In the interior, someone did a really excellent job. I think it looks really good. Nice red and black vinyl. Super vintage look. Black carpet. Big old steering wheel. So yeah, definitely interior is looking really cool. Okay guys, so that's just a basic overview of the 62 Falcon. Currently for sale on Marketplace and Kijiji, $7,500. Hit me up in the comments or send me a private message and come have a look. Thanks a lot.